Welcome to today's English class. Yesterday I told you about the first stanza of the poem Accident. We came to know that how the boy was careless and he walked up the street without looking. He did not take care of himself. He looked neither left nor right. So he was going to face an accident. But suddenly his friend warned him that he was going to have an accident. So he was saved from accident. This was the summary of the first stanza. But today we shall discuss about the second stanza of the poem Accident. In the first stanza, the poet has told about the carelessness of the boy, but in the second stanza he has given some advices how to avoid from road accident. So let us discuss the first line of the second stanza. Stop, look and listen. Stop, look and listen. Stop, take care. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. When a car is there, walk, don't run. When the road is clear, look where you are going. You don't want to hear accident, don't have an accident. So stop, look and listen. These are the most important things for the readers. When we start walking on the way, at the time we have to stop at one place. This is the first thing. Why should we stop at one place? Before walking up the road, we should stop at one place and we should take care ourselves at that place, and we should know that where we are, so that we can avoid the accident easily. When the road is free from traffic, when there are no any vehicles, any people or any motor car on the road, at that time we should start our walking. Otherwise we should not walk anymore. So let's write some unfamiliar words. Street, it is a noun. Street. I am very careful when I walk up the street. Okay. Cry. Another word, cry. In the noun form, we can make a sentence using this noun. He made a cry when he saw a snake. So, stop, look and listen. These are most important thing for us. When the road is free from traffic, when the road is widely free from traffic, widely free from vehicles, At that time we should start our walking. Otherwise we should not walk. We should not start our walking. When a car is there, walk, don't run. There is another important word. We should walk but not run. If there is a car, if there is a bike, there is a vehicle on the road, then we have to careful ourselves. Otherwise, we must face accidents. Look where you are going. It is a very essential thing for us. We should know that where we are going. At first, where we are going. After knowing our goal, after knowing our place, to which we are going. To which we are going, we should walk but not run. You don't want to hear accident. Again, poet has told, you don't want to hear, means you don't want to hear. If we careful about these things given by the poet, then we must avoid accident. And we can't find accident in our journey. And don't have an accident. In the end, he has told again, by obeying, or if we obey these rules of the traffic, then we must avoid accidents. Still, once again I am telling the summary of the second stanza. I am going to remember the important words to you. So stop, look and listen. Stop, look and listen. We should remember these words. Stop, look and listen. Before walking, we should stand or we should stop at one place. Then we go along the road. And before we going, we should look whether a car or a vehicle is coming towards us. And we should also listen to the horn of vehicles. This is the care for us. And this is the precaution for us. And we should decide that where we are going. This is the main thing. It is very important for us. So, this is the advice of the poet. At last I want to say, when we are going along the road, whether it may by any vehicle or we are walking, at that time we should be careful ourselves. We should stop and we should decide where we are going, and we should look, and we should also listen to the horn of vehicles. We should look both left and right. After these things, we should start our journey, we should start our walking. Then we must not face accidents. Okay.